Good morning guys, it's me Joyce and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you how to link your YouTube account into Google Adsense. First, you need to go to your Gmail, click your account and click add another account. Then click Google. At this time, they are asking your PIN code in your phone. Then click create account, then write your first name, real name, and last name. Guys, please put all your real information here in Google. Now you can put your birth month and gender. Now you can choose the Gmail address that they gave to you, or you can create your Gmail address. Now you can create your password. Click yes, I'm in. And click next. Now click the two boxes for Google Terms and Services and Privacy Policy. And you're done in our first step. Then click create account. For our second step, go to your Chrome. Write on the address www.youtube.com. As you can see, it was signed in your old Gmail account. On the upper right corner, click your old Gmail account that you signed into YouTube and click the new Gmail account that you make. On the same corner on the upper right, click your new Gmail account that you make and click Creator Studio. Now you can see your dashboard and click Create a Channel. Then, click Use a Business or Other Name. Now you can put what you want to name on your blog. Then click Create. Now you can see your dashboard again and click Channel. Go to monetization and you can see it's ineligible. Now click Country of Selection. Just change it into Philippines and click Save on the lower part. Now you can go to your status and features. Now you can see your monetization is now enabled. You are eligible. Now you can check now your channel. It's all verified. Now you can upload videos and get monetization. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Till next video.